Here in Australia and New Zealand, we all have a great history of 95 years behind us. Our service centres can repair and overhaul any of our machinery. We also have a field service team that can travel to any customer site all around Australia, New Zealand and some of our Pacific regions.
Our service centres in Australia and New Zealand offer heat exchanger and separation equipment services close to you to help you maximise uptime, performance and efficiency of your equipment. Alfa Laval's greatest asset to our customers is the training that we provide for our own engineers to ensure our high quality of service is met for every piece of machinery that our engineers handle. We meet those standards.
Alfa Laval's greatest asset is its people. Alfa Laval service engineers enjoy a stellar reputation in the market. They have a very good knowledge of the products and have commitment to do their best for customers. We advise our customers to invest in genuine spare parts for total reliability and the use of non-OEM parts. We see many premature expensive failures.
Our service technicians enjoy an unrivaled reputation for their product and application know-how. Alfa Laval services our customers in remote locations using digital tools and also offering on-site support.
The benefits of a service agreement give the customer peace of mind in their time of need and to minimise their downtime. You should choose Alfa Laval as a service partner because we got you covered no matter where you are.